In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira SSL error step by step. This is a common issue that can stop you from accessing your Jira projects, boards, or even logging into your Atlassian account. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix this problem in just a few minutes without any advanced technical knowledge. I'll walk you through the most reliable fixes in the correct order so you don't waste time trying random solutions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. The very first thing you should check when you see a Jira SSL error is your system date and time. SSL certificates are extremely sensitive to time differences, and even being off by a few minutes can cause validation errors. On Windows, click on the clock in the bottom right corner, open Date and Time settings, and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also confirm that your time zone is correct. On macOS, open System Settings, go to General, then Date and Time, and enable Automatic Time and Time Zone. Once you've done that, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try accessing Jira again. In many cases, this alone fixes the SSL error. If the issue is still there, the next step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with SSL certificates because they reroute your connection through different servers. Temporarily disable your VPN application or browser-based proxy extension, then refresh the Jira page. If Jira loads correctly after disabling the VPN, you found the cause. You can either keep the VPN off while using Jira or configure the VPN to bypass Atlassian domains. If turning off the VPN doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to try is opening Jira in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps rule out issues caused by cached data, cookies, or browser extensions. Open an incognito window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then paste your Jira URL and try signing in. If Jira works fine in incognito mode, the issue is almost certainly related to your browser data or extensions. Now let's move on to clearing site data, which is one of the most effective fixes. In your browser, click the lock icon next to the Jira URL in the address bar. From there, open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. Clear all stored data for the Jira domain, including cookies and cached files. After clearing the data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Jira. This forces the browser to re-establish a clean and secure connection with Jira servers. If you're still seeing an SSL error after all these steps, try switching to a completely different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Jira in Firefox or Edge. This helps identify whether the problem is browser-specific. In most cases, one of the steps we covered will resolve the issue before you even need to do this. And that's it. By checking your date and time, disabling VPNs or proxies, testing incognito mode, and clearing site data, you can fix most Jira SSL errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.